Good morning, everyone. Ako na si Mark Paul Organiza. Our topic for today is all about product standard grading classification. These standards apply to commercial varieties of durian, growth from Doriozibitinos, ale of the Bombaceae family, to, to be supplied fresh from consumer after preparation and packaging. Durian from industrial processing are excluded. This standard covers provision concerning quality, classification, sizing, tolerance, presentation, marking of labeling, food safety requirements, and nutritional composition. Next is normative references. The following documents are referred to in a text in such a way that come or all their contents constitute and requirements of these documents. The large latest edition of reference documents, including any amendments applied. So, makita ato the speakers. So, muna itong mga references nga akong gi-istorya ganiha. So, for example, kining ASEAN, so CEC, BOPS, DA, at, and etc. Sunod is kining terms and definition. For the purpose of this standard, the following definition below shall apply. The prepared terms are written in a bold type after clause number while admitted terms are lessened in a italicized type after definition, which could be interchangeable use in interpreting and provision of this standard. So, atong mahisgutan next page. RL. Edible parts of the fruit, which is cream color or yellow in most variety once the fruit has ripe, at which time the fruit become highly acceptable. Admitted terms or POP. Clean. External appearance is free from visible foreign matter. Next is kinin damage. Any specific defect or any equal objectable variation of defect or combination of defect, which is material detract from the appearance, edibility, utility, or marketable quality of the produce. Next is fertile locule. Durian locule, which the external appearance is visible fully developed through the length of the fruit. Next is foreign matter. Vegetal and non-vegetal matter not associated with the part of plant from which the fresh fruits were harvested. It also includes stones, sticks, bark, and soil, with seeds, insect or pest, and etc. metal, plastic, debris, and glass. Next is foreign smell and or taste. So, smell or taste not associated with natural characteristic of durian, primarily due to inappropriate post-harvest practices or conditions and transportation. Maturity. Physiological and biochemical change of fruit and juiceness, the texture, juiceness, sugar content, and sugar acid ratio. Maturity is depend on the characteristic of each produce. So magdepende gid siya no kung unsa imong kining variety sa imong durian. So next is maximum level or ml. Maximum concentration of substance recommended by CEC to be legal permitted that commodity. So ang naga-legal ani is kining CEC. CEC no ha. Next is maximum residue limit o MRL. So maximum concentration of pesticide residue expressed as mg o kg. Legal permitted is in our food commodities and animal feeds. So MR MRL are based on GAP data. So kining MRL so naga-base yun sa data or good agricultural practice that comply with the respective MRL are intended to be toxicological acceptable CEC 2019 modified. Next is Piduncel. Any primary stock that support a head of fruit cluster. Swink and Swilmer 2017 modified. So kining Piduncel is kining siyang pungango. Pedicel short stem link the individual fruit of influences access. Has outer covering of roots or seeds. Has kaning murag ka ng panit at niya ni. Sound free from physical injury, decay, and presence of live or dead insect or pest affecting its appearance, eating and or keeping quality and market value. Next is spine. A hard and point pyramid, sharp structure with polygonal base on outer husk of root. Kining spine is kanayang matunok-tunok bitaw na siyang spine. Provision concerning quality in all classes subject to the special provision for each classes and tolerance allowed. The durian shall be CN 2012 CEC 2014. Minimum requirements whole with the pedicel and peduncle intact, although the peduncle may be trimmed. The recommended length of pedicel is at 2.5 cm. Fresh in appearance and no sign of decay. Next is cleaned and practically free for any visible foreign matter. Sound, including produce affected by rotting or deterioration such as to make it unfit to consumption. Spines are well developed with no damage such as splitting or bent and discoloration, which is an indication of internal damage. Practically free from pest affection, the general appearance of the produce. Practical free from damage caused by pests. Free of cracking. Next is practically free from visible defects such as puncture that the internal quality is not affected. The visible defects associated with the durian are provided in Annex B. Common defect is injury fruit quality. Next is free from damage caused by low o chilling injury or high heat injury temperature kanang kuan sobraan ra ka init o sobran o kanang sobra ra pud ka kuan bugnaw. Next is free from abnormal external moisture, excluding condensation following removal from cold storage. Next is from free from any foreign smell and or taste. The development and condition of durian shall be such as to enable to withstand transport and handling, arrive in satisfactory condition at the place of destination. Minimum maturity requirements. The development and state of maturity of durian fruit shall be such as to enable them to continue their refining process and to reach the degree of refineness required in relation to the varietal characteristic and growing area. Next is maturity of durian fruits are determined through a combination of age and physical indicators. Durian fruits are ready for harvest may also indicate whether there are 2 to 5 good quality fruit which is naturally dropped from the tree with same flowering and fruit. Next is age of fruit based on calendar days. The maturity of durian should consider the indices provided in Annex E, maturity indices and varietal characteristic of durian varieties. Next is change associated with fruit maturity. Physiologically mature durian should exhibit most, if not all, of the following. Depending on the variety, husk color may turn from green to light brown with yellowish green tint. Next is tip of the spine of the immature fruit is green or light brown in color. When the fruit mature, the spine is turning into dark brown. So mailhan nimong ano kining matured na ang kining durian kay mo action na siya kining dark brown ng ihang katong tunok-tunok bitaw. The groove between spine become wider. Spine tips are drying without color and the springly wind is squeezed. Next is spine become more flexible and can be pushed inward more easily than those of immature fruit. So, dire sa ako ano, classification. So, classification. Durians are classified into three classes defined below. First is extra class. Durians in this class shall be of superior quality with characteristic of the variety. Each fruit should carry a minimum of 4 fertile locules. These shall be free from defect with the exception of very slight defect, provided this do not distract from the general appearance of produce. So, dili ta mag-base sa kanang unsa kanindot ang durian no. Kay basin day og kining nindot siya kining now nya pag buak sa durian nya kuan day ito mga daot ana no. The keeping quality and presentation in the package. The defect shall not in any case affect the area from fruit. Next is class 1. Durians is the class should be of good quality with characteristic of variety. The following slight defect, however, may be allowed, provide this do not distract from general appearance of the produce. So, mo tong yun ganiha nga, biska di ta magpakuan ng nindot kay siya kanang sa gawas, pero pag abre is bati siya og quality. So, the internal quality, the keeping quality and presentation in the package. Next is should carry a minimum of 3 fertile locules, and the maximum total defect should be not exceed 10% of the total surface area from the fruits. Next is class 2. This class includes durians which do not qualify for inclusion in the higher classes, but satisfy the minimum requirements specified in Clause 4, Prevention concerning quality, with characteristic of variety. The following defects, however, may allowed provide these do not distract from general appearance, produce, and internal quality and keeping quality and presentation in package. So, sige, balik-balik naman no? So, should carry a minimum of 2 fertile loculos and the maximum total of defect should not exceed 15%. So ganiha is 10% man to ganiha. So karon is 15% na of the total surface area from fruit. The defect shall not in any case of affect the area from fruit. So gani balik naman no. Next is prevention concerning sizing. So durians may be sized by weight or in accordance with existing trade practices. When sized in accordance with existing trade practices, the package should be labeled with the size and method. So, dapat naka-label yun siya, no? Next is durian. So, international trade may be packaged and sold by count per box. So, per box ang ilang kuan. Boxes are packed to the minimum number of weight expectation appropriate for the various markets. Durians are segregated from packaging by weight which approximate the above size code but may not consistently fall within a single size code, but would retain the uniformity required by a code. When sized by weight, size is determined based on the individual weight of each durian or a weight range per package. Table, Table 1 is a guide for size classification of durian and may be used on an optional basis. Size code, weight per fruit. So, for example is code 1. Ang ihang kon is 4 kilo. Nya sa code 2 is 3 to 4 kilogram. Then sa 3 is 2 to 3 kilogram. Ang size code number 4 is 1 to 2 kilograms. So, ang 5 is 0.5 0.5 or 1. So next is quality tolerance. Extra class 5% by number of weight of durian not satisfied the requirements of class but meeting those of class 1 is are exceptional coming within the tolerance of that class. Next is class 1, 10% by the number of weight of durians not satisfying the requirements of a class, but meeting those of class 2 is are exceptional, coming within the tolerance of that class. Class 2, 10% by number of weight of durians not satisfied neither the requirements of the class nor the minimum requirements, with the exception of produce affected by rotting or any other deterioration, rendering it unfit for consumption. Next is tolerances. For all classes, 10% by number of weight of durians not satisfied the requirements as regard to sizing but falling within size immediately above or below those indicated in Clause 6. Provision concerning presentation. First is uniformity. The content of each package or not produced present in bulk shall be uniform and contain only durians of the same origin, quality, and size. The visible parts of content of the package present in the bulk shall be representative of the entire content. So next is packaging. Durians shall be packed in a such as way protect and produce properly. The material used inside the package shall be food grade, clean, and of quality to avoid any external or internal damage to produce. The use of material, particularly of paper of stamp bearing trade specification, is, is allowed, provided that printing or labeling has been done with non-toxic ink and or glue. Durian shall be packed in each container in conformance with the PNS or BAP 198 2017 Code of Practice of Packaging and Transport of Fresh Fruit and Vegetables. Package shall be free for all foreign matter and smell. Last is description of containers. The container shall meet the quality, hygiene, and resistant characteristic to ensure suitable handling, shipping, and preservation. So, kuan jud no kaning dapat ang atuang ay kanang container nga ginagamit para sa kini pag-ship sa laing bansa. So dapat kining hinlo jud siya no ay para dili siya kuan sa mga